Hello there, you are with Harry Ashcott Studios. Okay, alright, so today I would like to open box review, okay, for the one of the IKEA product. Okay, so this one is designed by Elizabeth Gutierrez. So this one, I don't know how to spell it, I just call it as paper. Okay, so here the item is just small for your bed or in side table, as side table. Okay, so the measurement, as you can see, 54 cm, 33 cm by 33 cm. So it's not too big, just small. It's suitable for your bedside table. Okay, so now we are going to upper box review. Okay, we see what we got from the inside. And one more thing, the colors, they're only available for one color, which is the light pink, very light pink color. Okay, it's so sweet, so sweet. So we're going to open it carefully. You might hurt the item inside. Okay, so I just small knife. Okay, let's see right inside what we got. So here we got the instruction, a very big instruction on how to install it. Okay, so as you can see, we need to screw. We just use the screw, just a simple. Okay, we try to install it now. Put aside. Alright, so we move the item all one by one. So you got one bracket here, the tray. Okay, so this tray come with this slot. Okay, this tray comes with this slot, so it's easily fixed to the bracket. Okay, so I try to put it, yeah, easily. So if you don't want to screw it, it's okay, just don't install the screw. So here the screw. Okay, side. So what else is not inside? So you got 4 and of course the leg. Okay, so here's all the item, as you can see. Okay, so now we are going to install it. First, upside down this part and install the 4 legs. Okay, 4 legs, this one. By the way, you need to screw it from here. You need to install the screw because to tight it, because it's easily shaking. Okay, so the other one and this one. Okay, so I need to open the screw first. Okay, get a knife. Okay, that's all the screw. So for this one, you need to use this type of screw. Okay, it's not too long, just small screw. Okay, I use this one, the screwdriver. Okay, wow, it's too tight. To increase the power. Okay, one done. So the other one. Okay, done. So that it won't move easily. Then need to tighten a bit more. Okay. So the other one. It's easy if you use this magnetic ring because it can hold your screw while you drive the screw inside. This one too tight. Need to unscrew it back. Okay. So the last one. Okay, done. So we're done on that part. So I need to move this one. So we are going to install the lake. Okay, so the lake will be cross on the front. So it will be like this. And the other one. Okay. So the other one will be like this. And this one. Yeah. So it will be cross here. Okay, so this one will be tight after this. But first we need to install for this one. And that one. Using the small screw. Okay, done. For this one, okay, so the next is the other side. So for the other side, you need to use the same method. Okay, so this one we drive the screw inside. This one too tight. tight. I need to use the screwdriver. Never mind. Install for the other side. Wow, it's really tight. I need to use the bigger one. So I get this, the big one. So more power, more stronger. Okay. Okay, so we tight for the other one. Still moving. Okay. So it's tight enough. So we need to install for this one. Alright. Just use this one. Put this. Just put it like this. And install the screw. So I install from the one side first, so the other side will be easier. Okay. So we are going to take it. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so everything is done, so you can see it now.